Okay, we are going to continue on with sea animals. Sorry, I had to take a phone call. So this is our second video. We did our listening comprehension. Let's go over our questions. It says, what does a shark have in common with your nose? 2 says, which of the following statements tells an opinion about jellyfish? A, if jellyfish touches other creatures, it stings them. B, jellyfish are some of the most interesting creatures in the ocean. C, most jellyfish stings aren't strong enough to really harm a person. Or D, this helps the jellyfish escape and catch food. So remember, you're looking for an opinion. So that means it's not a fact, it's somebody's opinion. And then you have to explain why you chose the answer you chose. So it's kind of a two-part. You got to pick your answer, then explain why you chose the answer. So give some evidence. 3 says, what causes emperor penguins to stay warm at the South Pole? And 4 says, write a question about today's reading, then answer the question. Tell whether it is a right there or a think question and why. So it has 4 parts. You write the question, you answer your question, you're going to tell whether it's right there and think, and then you're going to have to tell how you know it's a right there question or how you know it's a think question. Okay, so you're going to read pages 39 to 41. And we're going to set up another tree diagram. Here we go, or an idea tree. Hold on. Let me turn this around. So for this one, it's going to be for the other pages. So we're still doing the same topic. We're still looking at animals that live in the ocean. So you're going to write this on paper. And then you are going to make your bubbles. On this one, we're going to make 4 of the main ideas here. 1 for each page. So thinking about the page that I just read you, we'd go here and then we'd put, well, okay, I see that the main idea, I look at the title, it says blue marlins. And that's page 38. So I'm going to write that in my first one. Blue marlins, page 38. And I'm going to keep going that way to fill in the rest of the bubble. So then you're going to read great white sharks. So we're going to write that in the next one. Great white sharks. And you're going to put page 39. And then we have jellyfish, jellyfish, page 40. And then the last page you're going to read is emperor penguins, page 41. Okay, and as you're reading, add some details to your idea tree. For example, we read blue marlins today, so you might say they are speedy and they eat other fish. Or you might say something like, they're large and more than 10 feet long. Okay, and then we might even say that they're blue, white, and they have long, pointed jaws. So as you're reading, add some details to your idea tree. All right, so then you're going to answer your questions, of course, on your quiz. Let's look at our word power. The word treasure says, irregular vowel patterns can be dangerous because the vowels don't make their normal sounds. If you're having trouble reading a word with an irregular vowel pattern, try reading the word with different vowel sounds. So the shark fin is supposed to kind of make us think, look out for these kind of things because they don't follow the normal rules. Okay, so for example, if I had the word, let me put one on here. If I had the word, okay, so if I had this word right here and I was just trying to sound it out, and there it is. Okay, if I was trying to sound it out, I might say d, e, u, I, g, t, delight. But if I did the long I sound, delight, delight. Okay, so this doesn't follow the normal rules. So when I see the I or the GHT, the I is followed by GHT, the letters G and H in it are silent, and the I makes the long I sound. So it doesn't make its normal sound. So let's look at some examples of this. So if I was looking at the word fright, and I wasn't sure how to read it, I might try it with the short I sound first, or I, g, t. And that doesn't sound right. But if I know that the GH are going to be silent, or I, t, I know that IGHT are the vowels that doesn't follow the normal rule right there. Or same in light and in sight. And the word night. If you're not sure, try saying it with the short vowel sound and see that it doesn't sound quite right. Okay, so we have been working on our questioning strategies, and then you've been adding your main ideas to your idea tree, and we have been working on these irregular vowel patterns and seeing how those work.